and I will be your lecturer for this masterclass course entitled Advanced Excel-Based Quantitative Techniques for Financial Markets. Just by quick way of introduction, I was originally a physicist and then I moved into finance, and subsequently I've worked in retail and investment banks, asset managers. I've worked for rating agencies and consultancies both here in South Africa and in the UK for the last 20 years and 25 over the span of my 25 years over the span of my career. So this course will be quite mathematical and it will be Excel based. I'm aware that most people use R and Python and MATLAB. Well, I wouldn't say most people, but a lot of people use those platforms today. I will be using Excel because Excel is on everyone's desktop, and it's certainly what I have certainly used over most of my life, and it's more than adequately performed. And it won't be a tips and tricks course on Excel, although obviously we will cover those sort of things in as we go through the course. But it will be a great deal of the quantitative techniques involved. So how do you construct a yield curve? How do you construct a variance covariance matrix for measuring value at risk? How do you measure expected shortfall in market risk? How do you measure PDs and apply PDs and LGDs, probabilities of default, loss given default, and so on in credit risk? How do you model the distribution of returns of credit losses? How do you model operational risk losses, et cetera, et cetera? All of these sort of quantitative techniques, a little bit of calculus, a little bit of algebra, et cetera, all in Excel and all very practical course, as I say, based mainly in Excel. People that will most benefit are mainly people in risk management, but also asset managers, asset allocation, performance, portfolio performance measures, and anyone in market risk, credit risk, etc., etc.